video, I'm gonna react to my old video. So, see you then. Hello guys. I'm happy that I found it, my bracelet. I found it out. See that? Today is a lazy day, guys, because we are not going outside. It's Sunday. It's a rest day. So, but I'm in panic because I was searching all the time with my bracelet. Because this one, they are in a set. And I lost it, this one. So, my hubby told me he's not allowed to wear anymore with two. So, you have to wear only one. So, now I'm wearing one. Lucky me. It was only, I know what is my expectation. It's only somewhere in our bed. So, on his side, and he don't feel it on his back or in his head. Because I was taking out the pillow. And it was, I'm doing so like that. And I found it on the sheets. So, probably it was inside of the pillow. So, I'm just lucky day today. Because this bracelet, there is a story of it. So, it's a very special for me and also for my hubby. So, I'm so thankful that I found it again. So, now, I'm happy. So, I'm having my soup. Actually, I'm not going
wala ko diya mag-makeup,
because I
guys.
just ate on the
Bagong mata.
breakfast already.
So,
this is my
nakabatrap
look
lang. So,
today.
ibig sabihin,
No
bago
makeup.
pang
So, you see it? No makeup.
wake up.
Si Lola. So,
Diretso dahil so, kini siya, guys, nangaon mo kami sa Thai restaurant. Tapos, init na siya kayo. Malinit. So, gigutom ni kay ning adto ni sa kanang kuamba kanang nag-tour me sa boat. So, ang ganda talaga. Super ganda. Then, after that, mag-tour me sa boat. Ang init tayo sa boat, tapos doon, lumabas na kami, kumain kami, tapos nakita namin, sa Bungaran, may Thai restaurant, sabi namin, hindi na ta mamili, din na lang ta, so dito na lang ni, so cute siya sa loob, so kana siya, akong gisalit gantay, mura og crowd, diba, kunti ba kayo, may mga drinks na nakakuha, naka-cases ba, mura siya og crowd tanawon. Pero kung ilan na sila kagiran ba no, it's very cute. So, siguro wala bang nag-suggest sa ilahan na you have to cover it. Kasi nga, in that back also, the back of that cases of the drinks, it's also the toilet. So, sana mapansin ba nila ba na maybe we can do something because the restaurant is a lot of choices and it's a lot of people going in there. So, it's a little bit quiet place, you know? Cute siya talaga. Tapos, and then, the owner, si Kang Cookville, ayun yung ano na yan, ang sarap niyang ano na yan, yung spare ribs, that is with honey. Ang dami niya, hindi ko naubos niya ni. So, pag binabite ko siya, para bang yung, pakunat siya, pero, it's just only like that, but it's very tasty, you know, it's very tasty siya. Yung soup namin, yung soup namin pala, ay, parang nagtay kami, kasi nga, parang with pure yan, then with cooked na, with cooked na siya. Pero okay na siya, masarap naman siya. Kasi it is Wednesday. Tapos then, yung menu pa na in-order ng asawa ko, pero na naman siyang soup na naman, parang soup na naman, pero that is with that. So, curry with cream. So, tan talaga, nag-upset talaga yung tiyan namin kasi plus very warm. And then, nag-combinate yung kinakain namin. Warm and then with creamy food. Na it's not a creamy, it's like, the cocos nut. It makes you upset to your stomach, maybe from the head, I don't know. So, talaga naman, ganun ang naano namin. Kaya nag-drive ng very fast yung asawa ko. Tingnan mo siya. Mamaya, ilalagay niya yung niya kasi yung menu in-order niya. There is a bit of, something with clothing that he doesn't like it. It's a kind of clothing videos that he doesn't like it. So we always put to my place. But I don't like it too. But because he put it, then I just eat it. Kasi pag meron siyang gusto niya ipapatay sa akin. Gusto rin niya na ito. Parang lulok ko rin, nagutom din ako. Kasi di ako kumain. Maya kakain na yun. Pero masarap. Talagang gutom kami dyan. Pero okay naman yung talagang nakalimutan ng ng may-ari yung in-order namin ng pizza. So, pinikawi na lang namin. Para kang donut. Ay, natawa talaga. I give one piece of my spare ribs, but my husband doesn't want it because he says, "No, I have one." No, it's not mean that he has spare ribs, but he doesn't want it. So, gusto niyang kainin yung sa kanya. Pero, nag-take away din kami dyan. Yung spare ribs, tinitik away namin at saka yung lumpia kasi nakalimutan niya. So, tinitik away na lang namin. So, nag-take away kami ng one order ng spare ribs. Then, plus yung sa akin kasi hindi ko naubos. So, marami siya kasi yung one menu sa order mo sa isang menu for one person, ang dami. Siguro mga 8 pieces yata. Tapos ang lalaki. Meron kasing coding na yung asawa ko ayaw niya. Yung, ba yung tawag noon na Maggi plant ba yun? Yung Maggi, coding ba yun? Yung spices na yun. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yun. Na green siya. So, yes. Kasi true yung mga turkey is the best in kitchen too. They're very all around the world. Sila ang pinaka the best sa kitchen. Masarap mga luto ng mga turkeys. Nagutom ako habang pinagmasdan ko yung sarili ko. Ang lakas ko palang kumain. Maraming kumakain din sa likod din namin eh. Kasi maganda sila kasi nagtutulungan silang magpamilya dyan. Nagtutulungan sila. So, I'm just only sitting here in the ground, but it's like I feel like cold and
a little bit pain. So I want to try it here up. So I don't know if you can see me. Uy, it's falling. Oh gosh. Binigay niya yung ano niya, yung tawag nito. Yung Big's Divorce niya. Kasi nga, mayroong paprika yata at saka yung, ano ba yun, yung, ano ba yung nakalagay, yung celery ba yun, o ano, nakalimutan ko na ayaw niya yun sa ano niya, sa niloto. Ayaw niya yun sa meat niya. So, kaya, nilalagay niya sa plate niya. Kaya nung mamaya kukunin ko, o nilagyan na naman niya ng ano, ng sauce yung ano ko. Nilagay niya sa plate ko. Talaga naman, no. Talagang gutom ako dyan, guys. Pasensya na kayo. Kaming dalawa gutom. Pero masarap yung ano nila, yung gulay na mini-mix. Yan o. Tingnan nyo naman, ang sarap ng kain ko, di ba? Pag binabite mo siya yung asparagus, para siyang makunat, pero it's not really like makunat na makunat. So yun na, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Bye-bye!